was inspired to apply for the MPA Global Internship Award because I'm keen on pursuing a career in the maritime industry in the future. I was also drawn in by the overseas placement opportunity, and this will help me to gain some of that global exposure.
I applied for the MPA Global Internship Award as it is inclusive in taking in students from any discipline, and I'm able to contribute my skills and knowledge to this global industry.
First of all, I'm very grateful for the opportunity to attend MPA GIA's onboarding program because he provided me with lots of insightful takeaways, such as learning the importance of teamwork in different situations and also identifying the key strengths that my teammates can provide so that we can achieve our goal more efficiently.
For me, the biggest takeaway will have to be establishing a common identity for teams of different cultures. With a common identity, teams will speak a common language and strive towards a common goal.
Another key takeaway from the onboarding program is the culture workshop where we had a Lego modeling activity. Together with my team, we made a Lego model. It showed me that work and fun can come together seamlessly. Given that the maritime industry is such a global sector, it's inevitable that we'll be working with people from all around the world. Hence, I find that it is an exciting opportunity to be deeply immersed in a different culture and working environment. One of my key takeaways from there would be Singapore's plans to invest in Tuas Port. So this is a fully automated digitalized port that will be operational by 2040, making the industry more efficient and more productive. And I'm quite excited for this because the future ahead for the maritime industry will be particularly vibrant, and there will be plenty of opportunities for more data-related roles in the sector.
I feel that my education at SUTD has prepared me to be multidisciplinary in my mindset and take into account all these different stakeholders' needs and pain points and come up with a more optimized and better solution for their industry to run.
I will recommend my peers to apply for the MPA Global Internship Award, and this provides a global exposure and practical insights into the maritime industry.
I'd like to thank MPA and SMF for organizing this wonderful program where I get to further explore and pursue my passion in the maritime industry, and I look forward to commencing my internship.